Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we will show you how our app helps you to generate high-quality product descriptions using AI with a natural human-like tone. Our smart AI analysis, your existing product descriptions, titles, collections, tags to craft compelling personalized copy that truly connects with the audience. Let's dive in and see how it works. When you install the app, you will be able to see a form which will be asking to write about or tell us about your store. Through this, we'll be able to know what this particular store is about, how the products works, and what the target customers you have. With that, we also get to know what are the product competitors and features and materials which we will be using to generate a high-end descriptions. So let's start it. For now, I will go with a clothing brand which is focused on sustainable products. So I have added the description here. So if you are unsure with the text you have entered, you can refine your prompt using an eye. So by clicking this, it will refine your existing prompt, and here you can see it has been enhanced. Now if you don't like it, so you can refine it again, or if you want to edit something more, so you can do that same. After that, once you click on Submit, this will be stored and it will be used for generating descriptions in future. That's a one-time process. You cannot edit that, so please make sure while editing it. So once submitted, you will be able to redirect it to Products Dashboard. Here, all the products with its descriptions will be listed, and here the first column is the product name, and the second one is the current description. By default, the first two products' description will be generated automatically, so you can start straight away, apply it, or if you don't like it, you can regenerate. So below after that, you will having the Generate Description button. So if you want to generate for the specific one, you can click it and it will regenerate a new one. Then if you want to regenerate or add something in that, then you can edit it or style it accordingly, and you can just click on Apply Description. So this will directly store this new description to the Shopify app. You don't need to manually go and copy paste in the Shopify app. With that, you can do same for the bulk collection as well. You can here just select a product, or you can manually select some of the products and click on the Regenerate button available here. So once you click that, it will automatically regenerate for these two selected products. And if you like it, then you can just click on Apply All and it will be directly saved to your Shopify product description. With that, we have some search filters, like you can search product with their name, or you can also filter the products based on their collection. So by using that, you can generate description for a particular collection also. Beside that, you can see available token. So this shows how many tokens are available in your store, so that for each generation, a particular token will be consumed and it will be deducted from here.